As you can see, if I press on call assistant, call screening.
Hi, I'm a call assistant recording this call for the person you're trying to reach. Please say why you're calling.
I want to talk with you for my gardening.
Thank you. Please hold while I connect you.
Then as you can see, if you receive, then your call will be received, or if you cut. So how to enable this option? Press on this call icon, go to three dotted line, go setting, then go to call screening. Just enable this option. Once you enable this option, your language will be downloaded for this phone, and here you can see the auto call screening, and you can choose your language as well, and you can change your voice as well. So once you enable this option, your call screening will be enabled for your S26 Ultra. Thank you. Please thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.